Morning! Wow, it's so maliwanag. Good morning, Azure! Mag-walking tayo. And I came from the Miami Tower. So kahapon, nung dumating kami, ang daming tao. But now, na ganito kaaga, diba? Surprisingly, walang mga people. Diba? Ang ganda ng lugar. And it's a nice morning. Thank you, Lord. So, hindi rin ako nagdala ng laptop today. Dahil ang inyong lola na hilig mag-work ay parang hindi talaga ako mag-work. So, it's a nice day. Yan, umulan eh. Umulan kaya medyo may konting basa pa sa floor. But it's so nice na mag-ikot-ikot ng gantong oras habang wala pa ang mga people. The people are still sleeping. And maintenance day nga pala today ng wave. So walang wave pool today. Ang ganda oh. They are cleaning it regularly. Weekly ang cleaning. So nice. So nice. Oh, look, guys. So clean. They're cleaning it regularly. Thank you, Lord, sa iyong magandang creation and for giving wisdom to the people who created this creation. Ayan. O, diba? Kahit sabihin mo, this is a man-made beach, still the wisdom came from the Lord. Diba? So, I'm so happy that we're able to get this chance. Diba, paminsan-minsan nakakalabas. Kailangan natin yan. Huwag na nating hintayin na umabot tayo sa burnout bago tayo mag-decide na magpahinga. We're going to go swimming today. It's 8 a.m. Yan, para marami tayong ma-accomplish ngayong araw. Janjan is excited. Ready na ang kanyang floater. Yan. Yan. So, hahanap muna ako ng food for lunch. Dahil ayaw bumaba ni John. So, ako muna ang hahanap ng food. Dahil minsan lang siya maka-watch eh. So, ni-enjoy ng bata. So, pabalik na tayo ng room. Naghihintay na ang mag-daddy para sa kanilang food. Tinamad na sila lumabas. Lalo na si John. Bumili tayo sa Starfrap. Bumili ako ng silog. Silog-silog. So, sabi ni Johnson, masarap daw. Na-try niya na daw doon. So, yun ang ating lunch for today. Ay, bibili pa nga pala ako ng cheesecake. Muntik ko nang makalimutan ang bili ni John. Okay, dito tayo sa Azure Beach Club bibili. Matagal ko na tong ina-attempt. So, we're going to buy cheesecake today. Diba? Sa automatic doors, diba? Okay, so anong cheesecake ang ating bibili? Pag-decide. yan. Bago?
Ang natin sa Netflix.
What's your favorite part?
Boltesby.
Voltes-B, what
Here?
did you do?
Watch Boltesby.
I like Boltesby.
Did you watch it?
Yes,
What else?
at Gamer.
What else did you do?
What about the movie like yesterday? Movie room. Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes.
Eh?
Bakit ganun?
It's like this.
Yes.
Yes. Do you like to swim again?
Come back and swim again, no?
Baby, what did you enjoy about the
Yes.
Father's Day staycation?
Good rest. Jan?
Sarap matulog ano?
Yeah.
Sarap matulog eh. Go home na. You say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
We're going.
Bye-bye, Jan. See you soon.